Next term is polarization density. The induced dipole moment dwell per unit volume of a dielectric when placed in an external electric field is called polarization density. Polarization density is represented by symbol P, which is equal to dipole moment of the dielectric over the volume of dielectric. Dipole moment is represented by symbol small p and the volume of dielectric is represented by symbol V. Now, if we consider the whole dielectric slab as a large dipole having dipole moment Q P into D, means if we consider this whole dielectric slab as a large dipole, then dipole moment is P is equal to charge into D. Here QP represents the polarized charge in magnitude. मीन्स यहाँ पे डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब पे यहाँ पे नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव जो चार्ज आए हैं, इन दोनों चार्जेस का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है दैट इज़ QP. लेट अस सपोज कि इन दोनों के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमने D ली है, तो डाइपोल मोमेंट क्या होगी QP इंटू D. सो डाइपोल मोमेंट P इज इक्वल टू QPD अपॉन व्हाट इज़ वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इनटू डिस्टेंस जो है डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब की टोटल जो डिस्टेंस है या थिकनेस जो भी हम ले रहे हैं. सो डी के साथ डी कैंसिल हो गया. सो पोलराइजेशन P इज इक्वल टू QP अपॉन A. सो हेयर QP अपॉन A रिप्रेजेंट द सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी which is represented by symbol sigma P. So polarization P is equal to sigma P, which represents the surface charge density. Now next term is electric susceptibility. Polarization is proportional to resultant electric field E existing in the dielectric. Means polarization जो है वो हमारे पास proportional होगी जो reduce और net value of electric field की होगी जब हम डायलेक्ट्रिक को दो कंडक्टिंग प्लेट्स के बीच में रख रहे हैं. सो पोलराइजेशन P इज इक्वल टू आफ्टर रिमूवल ऑफ दिस प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन पर पोलराइजेशन P इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट chi into electric field. Here chi is called the proportionality constant and it is also called electric susceptibility. Here we introduce this factor epsilon naught to keep chi dimensionless. So the value of chi, that is electrical susceptibility, is equal to P, that is polarization, upon epsilon naught E. So the ratio of polarization to epsilon naught time electric field is called electric susceptibility of the dielectric. Now what is the relation between dielectric constant and electric susceptibility? We know the net value of electric field in polarized dielectric is E is equal to E naught minus EP. Here E naught represents the external electric field of the dielectric and EP represents the electric field which is produced due to the polarization of the dielectric slab. We know EP, that is electric field due to polarization, is equal to sigma P upon epsilon naught. Here sigma P represents the surface charge density of polarized charges and we know polarization density is equal to surface charge density. So EP is equal to P upon epsilon naught. Put this value here, we get E is equal to E naught minus P upon epsilon naught and we know P is equal to epsilon naught chi E. So on putting this value here, we get E is equal to E naught minus chi E, and on taking this term on the left hand side, we get 1 plus chi is equal to E naught upon E, and we know E naught upon E is equal to K, which is called the dielectric constant. So 1 plus chi is equal to K. So this is the relation between dielectric constant and electric susceptibility of the material. Next topic is dielectric strength. The maximum electric field which can exist in dielectric without causing the breakdown of its insulating property is called dielectric strength of the material, and the unit of dielectric strength is same as that of electric field, that is volt per meter.